Guess who joined us again? Hey, BB. So we're gonna go through the tour. I still have a tenant in here. He's slowly moving his stuff out. So this is the downstairs cottage apartment here. So, all right. And so, like I was saying, maybe take this wall out or keep it in. Definitely take this wall out. Take this wall out, and then this whole space from here to here will be the kitchen. This is a hallway, and this is the kitchen space right here right now. None of these cabinets, none of this stuff is staying. This is going to stay because it still works, just needs to be cleaned up. And this is the tight space of the kitchen. So this whole wall right here is gone. Hey, baby. This wall is going to go away because this whole storage space will no longer exist, and then the HVAC will be right up here. I don't know what is going on with these ceilings, but they're dipping and stuff. They're not supposed to be doing all that. These ceilings probably look better than the ceilings down upstairs. And then this is the bedroom right here. This is the HVAC, or not HVAC, excuse me, the water heater, hot water heater in this room. Again, the ceilings are doing something weird, and you probably can't tell, but they're going on a, slant like that. So we gotta figure out what's going on. But that is HVAC. This is a hallway, and like I said, this wall will be going away right here. And so the kitchen, the kitchen would go from here all the way over to here. This is the bathroom. I can't figure out where the light is. I don't know where it is at all. I don't see a light switch or anything anywhere, and I don't want to touch the walls, but that's the bathroom. You can see the toilet. And then this is the front area right here. There's two huge large windows. Okay, anyways, this is the first cottage. So the ceilings are peeling. Have these little scallop things. They're not very nice. They're not well built. But anyways, this will be the dining room area. And then you have a kitchen right here off to the side. This is getting a complete gut. Yeah. And then you come back here to the bedroom. So I'm gonna put a bed right here, some curtains right here, some of the closets. This will be like a little sitting area right here. TV built in for your closets, and then the TV right here in the center with the HVAC above it. The ceilings, I got a big crack in the ceiling here, so I don't know what's going on there. And then this bathroom is getting complete gut as well. Like, it's a lot of mold in here. Surface mold, yeah. And this definitely, we need a new window right here. Need a new window right here. These are all like original windows, but they're not holding up. And the windows in the front, I'm gonna try to just get the, glass replaced. But yeah, this does have real wood floors throughout, but they are really damaged. So we're gonna see if we can salvage them. I think I am. And then this was just sitting in the front of my property, but I'm keeping it and then just putting a closet right here, a built-in closet right there. But yeah, you can see the ceilings. They're peeling pretty bad. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's the cottage. The cottage is only 594 square feet. This looks like a mess. So I think I definitely need a new front door. This is wood. So we'll see what happens. And the property's severely overgrown back here. Got trees and all types of stuff, and that's my neighbor's property. But yeah.